Hey everyone, and welcome back into the channel. My name is Jason, and today we have a very unusual and exciting video because I'm going to be talking a little bit more about cryptocurrency. Recently I have been making some purchases with my Trust wallet, and I have actually been indulging into the cryptocurrency space because I think it's really important to make sure as an investor, whether you're short-term, long-term, swing trading, day trading, that you have exposure to different segments of the stock market, whether that be in crypto, maybe allocating 10% of your portfolio into places like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even Dogecoin, which does seem to be building up a lot of hype and momentum right now, but also not getting that initial FOMO where you're buying at those all-time highs. So you always want to make sure that you're buying in those opportunities on those days when we're having red, when we're having selling off, when the RSI is oversold, and then you're going to get those nice deals. You're going to get that optimum entry from a technical analysis standpoint, and that's when you are going to capitalize because you are going to lower your risk, and that way you will become a profitable trader, which is exactly what this channel is all about. I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly all of those technical tips. As you guys know, if you follow this channel over the last few months, we've seen some amazing growth, and the Patreon is growing every single week, and I'm always giving out tips in the Patreon and all sorts of other little things to help anyone out there that wants to learn about those Fibonacci tools, how to in fact read those charts, those trend lines, and where in fact you can position yourself as a trader to make better decisions so you can get more money and you can actually allocate a lower risk into your portfolio. So guys, recently you know I'm very bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum alone, but I have in fact been indulging into two coins that have recently come onto the market. One of them is very new and it is called Elon, and I did actually purchase some last weekend. I think it was last weekend that I had it, and right now Elon is in fact, if I'm looking at on the chart, up a significant amount, and we are at oversold levels on the RSI. So at these levels I would not be getting myself into buying anymore. I'd be looking to cash out and waiting for that buyback on the dips. And another stock that I'm watching right now very closely is our Dogecoin. Now it is really interesting. I am going to bring up the charts here on Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin makes for a very interesting play because Elon Musk has tweeted it himself, one of the richest men in the world. We have Snoop Dogg that is also backing this coin as well. And we do apparently have, two billionaires, two of the most richest people in the world right now that have invested a lot of their money. Apparently they own about 50% of the coin themselves. So again, by buying this, we will actually in fact be making the richest people in the world even richer, which is crazy to even think that. And this coin started initially as a joke, but guys, it has gotten so much attention right now. The volumes are absolutely insane, and this coin is in fact destined, I believe, to go up to $1 because there is so much hype, so much news. And what I do think we are going to see, we're going to see a lot of volatility. But volatility, guys, means opportunity in my eyes. Well guys, you need some kind of allocation that you can in fact invest in crypto. We have just had a ban in Turkey, and there are some countries unfortunately that are now not allowing you to buy cryptocurrencies. So you would need to open up an account such as COINBASE or in fact Trust wallet or some other crypto app where you can in fact put your money in just like into your stock count, and then once it is open you can in fact purchase those coins. So guys, I've been buying Dogecoin like I said, and right now the entry is at around 40 cents. We've seen a massive run up of over 200% over the last couple of days, and just a few days ago guys, this coin was sitting around 20 cents, and even a week before that we were only sitting at around 5 cents. So it is absolutely amazing that these coins are absolutely on fire, and they are giving us a 1, 2, 3 and even 4x every single week. So guys, that is why I'm putting these plays on your radar, because I think it's really important as the volatility, obviously once we have a lowering in that share price, if we have any momentum where in fact we do crash down and Dogecoin does come back obviously down to test on the 100 EMA or the SMA, or in fact the 200 SMA levels, then that is where we can in fact have a really good entry. So what we are going to be looking for guys is any weakness in that price if we do come back down to that 25 cent mark. Now you can view all of this at Dogecoin on tradingview.com. That is what I use to analyze all of my charts, and right now like I said, we have in fact hit a double top position. You guys can see that this is a very strong resistance. There's two pin bars here that have recently been created, and we are now having an engulfing candle on the 1 hour chart. So if we do in fact close and that candle is bigger than the previous candle and it is red, then that goes to tell me that this is a very strong layer of resistance, and we can in fact expect a sell-off over the next couple of hours. So this would in fact form a double top, and you can see that we have tested here even 3 times before in the past. So where is the next layer that this is going to go to? Well, a support area, guys, there would be one support area around that 33 cent mark, and we do have another very strong indicator down here around that 27 cent rather mark for the support. So I would expect obviously the price to dip down. If we do come crashing back down, we can expect to hopefully get and land in around that 26 cent mark, and this would be potentially a nice place to start adding a position. If we did break down from there and we in fact come back down to around that 15 cent mark where there is another layer of support, then I think that this is going to be a nice trade, and in this very short term we are going to see those high swings again, because this stock, as you can see, likes to move about 20% in a single day, and I'm drawing it up there on the screen for you. So you can see over here, guys, that we are in fact up 22.5% already on the day, and who wouldn't want to use the volatility of these cryptocurrencies to their advantage? If you know what you're doing, you know where to buy in, and you can in fact place a technical, analysis where you can in fact enter with optimum entry with low risk management, then that is what you want to do if you want those quick bangs for your buck. So these are all tips, guys, that I usually don't go into that much on my channel, but I think it's really important, like I say, as an investor, to maybe even try 1 or 2% of your portfolio. So if you are in fact investing £10,000, maybe just putting a few $100s on the side into some of these crypto coins, into Bitcoin, into Ethereum are my main one, and then obviously using a little bit of fun practice money, as you say, into this Dogecoin, because you don't know what is going to happen. You could end up losing it all, which is why you don't want to put in a very large sum, but you could very easily catch the hype, and you could see a doubling or tripling of your money in a matter of even minutes. So that is why I'm bringing this Dogecoin to your attention today. And there was an article that came out that said obviously illicit activity was actually subjected within cryptocurrencies, but guys, it was less than 10%. I think it was literally like 1%, which is even less than cash. So why governments are even concentrating on this, again, it's just for views, it's media. They want to get clickbait, they want to steal your shares. I'm telling you that Bitcoin is going to eventually go up to £100,000. We will probably see it around that $88,000 to $95,000 mark by the end of the year, once we get those big institutions like Tesla, like Square, like PayPal, that have already bought a position in Bitcoin. They've transferred their cash balance, a percentage of it, into Bitcoin, because it's no good having it set as obviously inflation goes up. Again, companies are going to want deflationary forces, or they are going to want to hedge against inflation, and we can do that by investing in things like gold and also Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, I really do believe, is the future, guys, and we are going to see a big transition into people using this as an allocated asset moving forward as a global currency. So obviously you need that mindset, that long-term mindset, to understand. It's a very complicated process to understand cryptocurrencies. It took me a lot of research. Again, if you would like more information, then have a binge on my channel, because I did a full about 15 or even longer, I think it was about 18-minute video of Bitcoin, where I sat and I broke down the entire history of Bitcoin, how it's come about and where it's going to go in the future. So if you are someone that wants to look into that, then be sure to check out that video, because it is on my channel. I will try and link it above if I do remember to do that in this video. But guys, that is what I'm doing right now. I am in fact dabbling like penny stocks into crypto. I think that we are just at the beginning of the crypto bull market. Again, this is also new. There's going to be a lot of news. We've got the COINBASE IPO that has recently just come out, which you guys know I have purchased. I made a full video on how I think that that is undervalued anywhere below $350, and we are going to see a big push. It's like buying Google in its very early stages, Amazon in its very early stages. The crypto markets, guys, are literally just at the start, and we have so much room for growth and potential. We have no idea where this is going to go, but again, it is about being open to change and having an open mindset. And if you are someone that is bullish on this and has an open mindset, then you would be able to understand where in fact we could position this to our advantage, and we can actually trade this volatile time in the bull markets to in fact buy in these coins like Dogecoin, in Bitcoin, in Ethereum, and again, we can make some money for ourselves, because that's what this channel is about: making money, making passive and financial decisions, becoming a better investor. So guys, I hope that you did enjoy this video. I hope you enjoyed this insight into cryptocurrency, and I hope you learned something new. And again, you learned that I am now also invested in cryptocurrencies. I have about 10% of my entire portfolio right now in crypto. That is between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and also Elongate. The majority of that being in Bitcoin, because that is the main solid foundation, guys, for cryptocurrency. It's the #1 asset in the crypto space that you guys need to know, and that's why we trade Marathon Paint Group a lot on our channel. So guys, that wraps up this video. Don't forget to go down there, smash the like button for me. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you for your support. You are amazing. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you on this journey with us where we make money together. I cover all sorts of things on my channel. If you would like me to make a particular video, then leave it in the comments below. Also, if you did enjoy this video, please let me know, because I don't usually do crypto videos. I really want to have your feedback. I want to know how this corresponded, because I know a lot of people on my channel either don't like crypto or they're not invested because they don't understand it. So hopefully this will give a little bit more insight. So guys, that wraps it up. Again, my name is Jason. If you want to join the private Patreon, then be sure to check out the Discord link, which I will leave below now for you. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Ciao.